G5 like a jet, nigga. Yes, nigga. I be all alone in my nest, nigga. I guess my guest house came without guests, nigga. Lonely but look like I came to outdress niggas. Whoa, nigga, no, nigga. I don't need no yes, niggas. I don't need the next nigga stress, nigga. Big dog, I don't even fetch, nigga. I don't need no pets, nigga. I don't need no pets, nigga. I don't need your blessings, cause I'm blessed, nigga. I don't need to rest until I rest, nigga. I don't really text, cause it's my ex and she obsessed, nigga. I ain't tryna mess with her, haven't done my best, nigga. You ain't never lie, but I put that aside. And I